Hello everyone, this is a presentation of my robotics course project. The topic is optimal route for fetching shelves using robots in a warehouse. There is an ever increasing use of robotics in fulfillment centers. Let's look at a video clipping of Amazon fulfillment center for example. As you can see, it is a densely packed fulfillment center with shelves, a lot of them. It looks like the shelves are moving. There are small robots under the shelves that lift and move them around. Our objective is to optimize the travel time of these robots by applying concepts of puzzle-based storage systems. So assuming the shelves are placed in a 3x3 grid like this image, we should be able to retrieve our desired shelf by making least number of steps as possible. Here we are using 8 turtlebots in place of shelves. As you can see the indexes given to this turtlebots right here. While executing our code, we input a number between 1 to 8 to select a robot that should be brought out. I am running the code on Ubuntu virtual machine right now. So we will be using Python for our code and we'll be simulating all the events on Gazebo world. The background system we are using is ROS, Robotic Operating System. So this is our actual code. We are subscribing to the ODOM topic and publishing to twist topic of all turtlebots. The code has two parts. Basically the code has two important methods. One is the solve method and the other one is move method. The solve takes input argument of the turtlebot index from the command line and solves the puzzle and generates a matrix self.command which has robot index and direction to move. So at the end of this solve we have this array which will input to the move method and to execute it, it is going to publish to the twist command for a given time until it reaches certain point, and this is how the code runs. Now I want to run the code and show you guys. I need to have two terminals open to run the code, one for the gazebo world and other one for the puzzle solver. I'm going into the multi robot folder and into the launch folder. I'm going to launch my gazebo world now. So guys, as you can see, this is the gazebo world. I'm going to launch a new terminal tab to run our Python script. We are going into scripts folder. We have our puzzle solver Python script here. We are going to input the index of the robot that we want to retrieve. Suppose we want to retrieve the first robot. So this is number 1. So we are going to just enter 1 and then press enter. So we have achieved our goal. We are going to exit out of both terminals. You can find the installation instructions in the GitHub repo, and you can find the commands for running the code as well. Please let me know what you guys think in comment section below. Thank you.